I haven't even tested some of these out yet to see if they're gonna work or not, but that one was pretty cool. Oh, look what we have. I swear. I found a bunch of those in my pool today, and I was looking at them closely, and I have a bunch of passion flowers, and I think they might be little tiny bees. I don't know. I'm just like, I hope not, because I don't want them to die. We need more bees in this world. All right, this is the big guy. Now, which ones are we gonna do now? I'm gonna start with the bright blue. I'm gonna do the same thing, the puddle, since that worked out pretty well. It's a bigger tile, so I want more color. And then I've got all these leftover paints, so I have to use them up. It's just been bothering me that they've been sitting around, and yeah, I don't like to waste them, so here we go. Oh, this is copper. I haven't done copper, I don't think, in forever. And this is the Atelier copper. Stir, stir, stir. They've been sitting around for a while, so hopefully we won't have too many bubbles. I do have a new torch, so there we go. I like blue and copper. And let's put down some quinacridone nickel azo gold. No, this is mango. No, mango's too close to the copper. I have to do that. So is this. Okay. I am going to put down shimmer. Then quinacridone nickel azo gold. Then this is sunset. Then that's the brilliant blue. Let me see what else we've got here. Ooh, this one looks like it's been around for a while. Oh, this is golden teal. And a little gold on top. Or, we love our ore. Now, it's got bubbles. Bubbles! My new torch. Yay! So this will be interesting. All right, I really like this palette knife. This one. Ooh, lovely. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Guys, I'm really enjoying this. Oh my gosh. And you know, I have to work tomorrow. Why didn't I put gloves on? That's too much there. I am having a blast. This is fun. Oh yeah, baby. I can't. Oh my God, this weekend, I sent a bunch of Facebook messages out stating that I was giving up all my hobbies, supplies, and please contact me. I just can't talk about it anymore. It was funny. And then in the body of it, it said, and here's a list of those items. Please, serious inquiries only. Please PM me if you're interested. It was a broom, and it was cleaning supplies of every type. It is a bug. It's a bug. They love paint. Sorry. All right, is this spinnable? Where do I tilt it? Kind of getting into the tilting thing. Maybe I will spin it first. Which way? Oops. Okay, stop. Oh my God. Need to get some paint off. All right, some of these cells are getting squished. I don't like that. Let me just spin it again. I don't like these getting squished up. This is kind of cool, isn't it? Whoa. Yeah, that's better. Although I might have to, oh jeez, why did I do that? Boy, I'm so serious. No talking. Oh. Whoops. I had my finger in it. All right. I think I'm gonna take it down that way. This is too much fun. I see another bug. Paint's moving really slowly. Oh, it's a heavy tile. So yeah, it was $9.53 for a case of these 12-inch tiles at Home Depot in the States and in Florida. So I picked up 2 cases. I don't even know how many are in there. I think it's like 12. But still, it's a good price. This is starting to look like a phoenix colors anyways. Really want to open up that one area and it's just not working for me. Oops, sorry guys. Doing some enhancements on this one and maybe another little spin. I really like that brilliant blue. That's pretty. And I have this is a mistake. There's some shimmer that got on there. Give another spin. Stuck. All right. I'm going to fix that middle because I really don't like it. So, everything's fixable. Everything's fixable. Until it's not. All right. It's better. I love that. That's that quinacridone nickel gold. It's like feathers anyways, right? Almost finished with this one. It's pretty cool. All right. Oh my gosh. Those colors. Wow. All right, I'm gonna take you down. I don't know if I should do anything else to it. Sometimes you just need to leave it, eh? I really love that part. Just in love with it. This was bugging me, but it's better now. Wow. There's something else that's bugging me. Oh, is that the bug? There's something in there. There's a bug. All right, that's, oh jeez. Look what I did with my cell activator. Well, I'm glad I have more of that. Okay guys, I really like it. I feel like I need like a dot of shimmer in the, I have a dotting tool. So I'm gonna take this shimmer and put it right there. Yep. I don't know if that's too obvious. Let's make it a bigger dot. All right, stop messing with it. I think I see another bug. Yep. Okay. I better cover these up. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna take you down now. All right, guys. La. Yeah, that's the quinacridone nickel of gold. See how it can be orange, it can be yellow, it can be just a lot of different things. It's very versatile. Very, very cool. And I'm not used to using copper. That turned out pretty well too. I like these little guys up here. It almost looks like there's shading there. It's kind of cool. But that right there is my favorite part. Look at the blending of those colors. And they do look like feathers. Boy, it's been a long time since I've done these. Welcome back.